The Tasks section of the Photo Booth Operator is where you will have the opportunity to assign tasks to individual users or all the users within your location or company. When you go to the task screen, you will see current pending tasks and any completed tasks. Since we obviously have none, we're going to go ahead and create a new task. We'll be clicking the Add New button, and the Add New User Task screen comes up. There's basically three options that need to be selected. First of all, we need to select users, and you either can select individual or multiple here, just like the other drop-downs. Or if you have several users and you just want to save some time, you can assign it to all users by checking that box. If you have assigned to a specific user and then you select all users, it will in fact be applied to all users. This will override anything that you have selected for users. So if you're going to use the all users option, you do not need to waste your time selecting individual users. We then need to do a due date on this. So we're going to have this one due at 2 p.m. on the 31st. We need to have a name for this task. And this will be a status update meeting. And then a description. Tasks in this regard can be absolutely anything. They are things which can be obviously meetings, as in this case, or specific requirements, questions, anything that you would like to convey to your individual user or all users within your company or location. Once we've got all the information set, we go ahead and set the task. And you'll see some changes on your Photo Booth Operator screen. Obviously the most glaring one is that you now in the pending task we have the status meeting update, and it is due by May 31st. We do have the usual options of view, edit, and delete. However, if you look at the top, you'll notice that in this little area there is now one task, and moving your mouse over it exposes that task. It has to do before, the date, and a little brief description. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll see that that task now comes into clear view. Gives you a countdown to show you when the task is due. It's 1 day and 20 hours from now. Hovering over the box gives you the opportunity to mark this task as being completed. Once the task is marked as completed, it will no longer show up as an active task. I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to mark this as completed. And you'll see that the Photo Booth Operator displays 0 tasks. There is no longer a pending task, and it has been moved to completed tasks. Tasks can be deleted when they're either pending or completed, as they don't contain any sort of records that are utilized by the Photo Booth Operator. This is more a courtesy for a system that you can utilize to interact with your various users.